Hey friends, if you wish to fix HELLDIVERS 2 server request failed error 51503, then I will help you with a few easy solutions. So the first solution is to run as an administrator. It's very easy. All you need to do is go to your desktop screen, right click on the game, select run as administrator, and if you do not find the option for run as administrator, first click on properties and then select run as administrator. The next solution is to restart the game and restart the Steam client. Or I'll give you an easier option. If you don't have many applications open, you can simply reboot your computer. But if you have applications open, then you can close the game and restart it. If that doesn't help, then close the Steam client and then restart the Steam client and open the game through the Steam client. Lastly, you can run the game in compatibility mode. So to run the game in compatibility mode, you'll have to right click on the game, select properties, go to the compatibility tab, check the box associated with run in compatibility mode for, and then select a lower version. For example, if you're using Windows 11, take Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10, use Windows 8 and so on. I hope this will be helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know how we could improve in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.